Hi, friends.
Hey. Hi.
Hello. This is Julie, Heather, Ben, nobody else. Riley. Oh my God. So guys, we're at the beach right now. Sandy Neck. 4th of July. We're about to see fireworks.
Yeah, hopefully they're good.
We got some marshmallows, I just heard, so I'm really excited. They're definitely not as good as Magic Kingdom.
Yeah. Wait, you got s'mores at Magic Kingdom?
No, I'm talking about fireworks.
Oh.
But guys, who votes we do a Q&A? Q&A! Woo!
Comment down below questions.
Here, J-Chick. Cheek. Wait.
Comment down below what you want to know.
Well, we're gonna film it before then, but it's okay.
Cricket.
So, guys, question number 1: favorite high school memory.
I was just grinning and bearing it.
Favorite high school memory. Anyone? Anybody? Oh wait, we
don't
have
one.
any.
So comment down below yours because I don't have one.
College is so much better. It goes up. Like, it goes up. Alrighty, so we hired these guys to build us a fire. They're decorating it right now with rocks. Decorate, people.
It's hot.
We are paying you.
How much?
You're an engineer. Figure it out.
Oh, I charge 80 an hour, so.
Wait, guys, look at
I
the
got
sunset.
it. I got that.
Isn't this so pretty? The sun already set. That's okay. Wait, look at all the fires, like literally all down the beach. Oh, there's no sun over there.
Oh, that's a burn.
I think he looked
I know.
He actually told me, he's like, I actually don't like that name. I'm like, oh.
All right, so
Wait, I burned my.
that's okay.
Aw. Put it in the water.
Guys, Momo. Fireworks. Sparklers. Where's your lighter?
What?
I put it in your
That's crazy.
I need a lighter, but that's okay. Oh my God.
It's not working on the fire?
No.
One and then I lost it. Ah!
I love.
College content creators.
Yeah.
Oh my God, yeah!
Is that-
My friends know me so well.
In the summer,
I love life. But now they always say no. Guys, I love life.
No more secrets.
Riley. Joe.
I love that, Riley. I was patient.
I used to box them when I was in
Fireworks!
fireworks
They're
store.
so cute.
So like, it's legal to sell.
Yay!
That's weird.
Ah!
You're going back in?
Oh my God, so pretty. Do you think they're pretty?
They're adorable.
Oh my God, right? Also, guys, I'm wearing this Via Island bikini. Check my Insta. Rep for them. Woo! I don't know where to go. There's so many. Ah! I love fireworks, guys. Wait, I'm so dark. It's okay. Oh, the sky's so pretty. Woo! Let me go back over to the fire.
Yeah, but we only speak Italian. We can't yell Italian things. That's why it's called Italian fireworks.
Wait, what happened?
Italian fireworks is what my
Guys,
uncle
Italian fireworks. Listen.
does. Okay, Italian fireworks.
Documenting this for everyone to see.
You cut up, you get the embers from the end of the fire, you get a shovel, and you chuck it into the
Those
ocean.
are so pretty. Oh my God!
All of them. Italian fireworks.
I love. Yay! We're in the back! Bye!
Zanina, look at the stars.
Riley, I can't see your face. Put it on your face. Bye! Guys, we have story time right now. So we have to air up our tires, but like we are literally out of gas. Like we have 5 miles left of gas. So like we're gonna go plop on the road, and yeah, we don't have gas. So I don't really know what to do right now. We're a little lost, but it's okay. Someone's coming around helping us, but we're gonna figure it out, and it's all good. And it'll, oh my god, lighting. And it's all good, and we're gonna figure it out. Bye, Katie! But okay, so I'll let you know how we make it alive. I hope we do. Love you all. We got gas and it's loading! Guys, guys, Trev just jumped out the door of the car while we were at the gas station that we thought was closed.
None of us noticed till he was out of the
He
car.
just slid out while the car was moving. Yeah, and then he jumped out of bed.
Crazy driver.
Alex was completely fucked up.
I literally can't.
Don't you turn
Oh my god.
None of us look at me donuts over here.
completely sober.
But we're good!
I know, I was thinking, but please, God.
So update, guys, we thought we were good and we were pumping, but like, yeah, there was no gas because I guess this gas station literally closed, so no gas is pumping out. We're stuck in the gas station. Panic mode. Guys, we officially made it. We are driving back.